Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to enable WhatsApp dark mode. Friends, as we all use WhatsApp day and night, so it will be better to use dark mode to protect your eyes and save your mobile battery. So first open your WhatsApp. Now here press on these three dots on the right side corner of the screen. Now here press on settings. In settings press on chats. In chats press on theme. Now here light theme is selected by default. Now here select dark and press on OK. Now friends, as you can see, dark theme is activated on our WhatsApp app and our WhatsApp will look like this in dark theme. So friends, like this you can very easily enable dark theme on your WhatsApp app. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.